Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. This is what I call organic. Organic pizza all the way. This is a pan pizza, but I will be posting the whole video on how I made the whole thing from scratch.
And then it will be nice.
From scratch to finish. From dough to everything that goes on top. I'll be posting it soon. I'll post the whole video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this short video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on this upcoming video. Comment. Press that like button. Yeah, that's the pan pizza. That's how it's supposed to look. That's organic. That you'll find out what it is. You know how it is for homemade stuff? Yes. Hey, if the rolling pin doesn't work, I use my hands to flatten that dough. It does work, you know. It's organic. That's what I'm talking about. Then you flip it over as you see it there. I continue to do my thing. But as I said, you know, you gotta watch the whole video on how I made that beautiful curried shrimp. Yes. Delicious. Delicious. We gotta throw in some vegetables. You know how it is. And those are so easy to make. So to watch the video, you'll know how I made those. And this is the deal right here. This is the deal that makes that organic pizza so yummy, delicious. Homemade pizza, yep. Pan pizza, that's another one. You gotta watch the whole thing now. There we have it. Organic pizza, all made the way from the beginning to the end. Yep. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my whole video. And as I said, I'll be splitting this video in different parts so you can see how I made each and individual dish that went on top.